there, this is Neha Sheikh once again, and we are on Channel Wisdom. Let's start today's interesting topic and stay tuned with me till the end. Let's get started. I think most of you have read about The Alchemist, and if you haven't, you should. This is the book which talks about the personal legend. It's all about advantage and obstacles of pursuing a dream. The Alchemist is written by a Brazilian writer named Paulo Coelho. Paulo Coelho, in his All the Book, he talks about following your dreams, understanding your soul's desires, and searching your connection with the universe. And I believe this is what distinguishes him from all the other writers. So, in today's video, let's have some inspiring thoughts by Paulo Coelho, which inspires us to follow our heart. So, here we are going to discuss 12 most worthy quotes of Paulo Coelho from the Alchemist book. Okay, let's get started. The number one quote, which is the most powerful quote of Paulo Coelho from The Alchemist, is when you want something, all the universe conspires to help you achieve it. Actually, this quote is also the famous dialogue of Om Shanti Om movie, mouthed by Shah Rukh Khan. Like he said in his movie that कहते हैं अगर किसी चीज़ को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. This is the copied dialogue from Paulo Coelho's book The Alchemist. Okay. Let's see the number two quote from the same book. The desire originated in the soul of the universe, and number three is the soul of the universe is nourished by people's happiness. Actually, these three quotes are connected with each other. The one is connected with the second, and these two connected with the third one. So, if you desire something with happiness and if you find joy working on that dream, then you nourish the soul of the universe. And when you nourish the soul of the universe for that particular desire, the whole universe conspires in helping you achieve it. So it's better to be happy. खुश रहिए हमेशा. The next quote is, remember that wherever your heart is, there you find your treasure. This quote explains how to get the most advantage out of pursuing a dream. If you go on a journey to find a treasure and your heart is not in it, it will not mean anything to you and you will not learn anything about yourself. So remember, wherever your heart is, there you find your treasure. जिस भी चीज़ में आपका दिल हो, हमेशा वही करिए, हमेशा अपने दिल की सुनिए. Then, number 5 quote is, tell your heart that the fear of suffering is worse than the suffering itself. In this quote, Paulo Coelho said it is most necessary to tell our heart that, like, दुख का जो डर है, वो खुद दुख से भी बदतर है. So be fearless and achieve your dreams. The next quote, which is number 6, is, if you start by promising what you don't even have yet, you'll lose your desire to work towards getting it. Here in this quote, he said that if you start some work, like आप कोई काम स्टार्ट करते हो, कोई प्रॉमिस करते हुए स्टार्ट करते हो जो अभी आपके पास है ही नहीं, तो आप इसे पाने की तरफ काम करने की ख्वाहिश खो देंगे. This is what Paulo Coelho have said, okay? Number 6 quote is, this is what we call love. When you are loved, you can do anything in creations. When you are loved, there is no need at all to understand what's happening to us because everything happens within you. In this quote, Paulo Coelho described about the love. He's saying that this is what जिसे हम प्यार कहते हैं. When you are loved means that जब आप प्यार किया जाता है, आपका ख्याल रखा जाता है, तो in turn आप उसके लिए कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. This is the natural thing, okay? जब आप प्यार करते हैं तो ये समझने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है कि क्या हो रहा है, बिकॉज क्योंकि ये जो कुछ सब कुछ हो रहा है ना, वो सब आपके अंदर ही होता है. दिस थिंग हैपन्स विद इन यू, एवरीथिंग हैपन्स विद इन यू. दिस इज़ वॉट एग्जैक्टली ही डिस्क्राइब्ड अबाउट लव. Number 8 quote is, at a certain point in our lives, we lost control of what's happening to us and our lives become controlled by fate. That's the world's greatest lie. According to Paulo Coelho in the Alchemist book, he described world's greatest lie. That is, in this quote means that at a certain point, like हमारी ज़िंदगी के एक मोड़ पर, हम अपने साथ जो कुछ हो रहा है उस सिचुएशन पर अपना कंट्रोल खो देते हैं. एंड एट दैट टाइम हमारी ज़िंदगी किस्मत के ज़रिए चलती है. यही दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा झूठ है. Because according to Polo Coelho, fate, that is Kismet, it doesn't really exist. Everything we desire, the universe help us to realize our dreams. Now let's go to the next quote, that is number 9. There is only one thing that makes a dream impossible to achieve, the fear of failure. अकॉर्डिंग टू पोलो कोलो सिर्फ एक ही चीज़ है जो हमारे ख्वाबों को, हमारे देखे गए हर उस सपने को नामुमकिन बनाती है, वो है फियर ऑफ फेलर, नाकामी का खौफ। हम डरते हैं कि अगर हमने ऐसा किया तो हम उस चीज़ को करने में फ़ेल हो जाएंगे। लाइक वी आर अफ्रेड टू टेक अ स्टेप टुवर्ड्स आवर ड्रीम, सो हम उस चीज़ को छोड़ देते हैं एंड वी इवन डोंट ट्राई टुवर्ड्स इट। सो इसी डर और खौफ की वजह से हम अपने ख्वाबों को पूरा करने की तरफ से हट जाते हैं। वी मस्ट हैव टू ओवरकम विद दिस फेयर एंड वी हैव टू ट्राई टुवर्ड्स आवर ड्रीम। Number 10 quote is, don't give in to your fears. If you do, you won't be able to talk to your heart. Sometimes we feels that we are not worthy of getting such a great reward. Like हमें लगता है कि हमारा ख्वाब बहुत बड़ा है एंड शायद हम उसके काबिल भी नहीं हैं। बट इन द अल्केमिस्ट बुक पोलो कोलो ने एक कैरेक्टर सेंटियागो लेकर समझाया है कि ऐसा नहीं है। इन द अल्केमिस्ट बुक सेंटियागो जस्ट एक गरीब फार्मर था एंड शायद वो बड़ी चीज़ें डिज़र्व भी नहीं करता था, बट he believes and he wants to see the world. He never give up to his dreams. He takes a step towards his dream and finally he achieved it with a great reward. He only listened to his heart. Okay, so don't give in to your fears, just take a step towards your dream. Number 11 quote is, you'll never be able to escape from your heart, so it's better to listen to what it has to say. Okay, according to Paulo Coelho, always listen to your heart. Your heart guides you, and if you do, then you'll be definitely successful in your life. So always listen to your heart. Then our last quote is, which is number 12. Intuition is really a sudden immersion of the soul into the universal current of life, where everything is connected. According to Paulo Coelho, in this universe, everything is connected because it's all written there. Maktub, it's all written there. The more you use and trust your intuition, the more it speaks to you. So start listening today and follow your heart. If you keep these 12 quotes in your mind and work on your dreams happily, the universe will definitely conspire in making you achieve it. Thank you so much for giving me such a chance to share these things with you. Really, thank you so much.